In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a Word document to OneDrive step by step so you can keep your files backed up, access them from anywhere, and make sharing much easier. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through every click so you can follow along confidently. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, start menu, or applications folder depending on your device. Once Word opens, either create a new document or open an existing one that you want to save to OneDrive. If you already have your document ready, that's perfect because the next steps are all about moving it into cloud storage. Now look to the top left corner of Word and click File. This is where you'll find all the saving options for your document. After clicking File, choose Save As. This option lets you save a copy of your file in a different location, including OneDrive. Once the Save As window opens, you'll see a list of available locations. Here, select OneDrive. Depending on your account, it may appear as OneDrive, OneDrive Personal, or OneDrive followed by your email address. Choose the OneDrive account you want to use. This is an important step because if you have multiple Microsoft accounts, you want to make sure you're saving to the correct one. After selecting OneDrive, you'll be asked to choose a folder. You can save it in the main OneDrive area or in a specific folder if you want to keep your files organized. If you already have folders set up for work, school, or personal documents, this is a good time to place the file in the right one. Next, enter a file name if needed. You can keep the current document name or type a new one if you want something easier to recognize later. Once your folder and file name are set, click Save. Word will now upload the document to OneDrive and your file will be stored in the cloud instead of only on your local device. That means you can open it later from another computer, your phone, or even through a web browser as long as you sign in to the same Microsoft account. If you want, you can also keep working on the document after saving, and Word will continue syncing changes depending on your settings. And that's it. You've now saved a Word document to OneDrive. It's one of the easiest ways to protect your work and make your documents available anywhere. If you found this guide useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.